So in today's episode, I'm gonna give you 3 very important parts that you do not want to miss. Part 1, I'm gonna teach you the fastest way to lower your utilization so you can raise your credit score and find better options. Part 2, I'm gonna tell you the #1 option to help you get yourself out of debt. And part 3, I'm gonna give you a second option to help you reduce that debt also. And then I'm giving you a 4th part that is the bonus part of this video. I've been working on a huge secret program that I want to tell you about, but you're gonna have to watch till the end. So let's get right into it. We got a lot to cover. One of the quickest ways to reduce your actual utilization, which is the balances that are owed on your credit report, is to have someone add you on as an authorized user to a credit card with a very high limit that can possibly offset your actual balances. That's gonna do 2 things to your actual credit reports. It's going to add age of credit, which could potentially give you a boost in your credit score. And then it's gonna add to your actual available credit. Because if you add a 10,000, 20,000, I know that sounds pretty crazy, but there are people like myself that have these high limit credit cards. And then if you add somebody on it as an authorized user, it can change the actual credit profile of that person, lowering their utilization because now you have more available credit. If you do this with a friend or a family member, you could just simply tell them, listen, don't give me a credit card. I don't need the credit card. You keep it. I'm just going to use this so I can actually pay down my credit card debt and actually get my actual score up higher so I can move on to some potential lending to consolidate my credit card debt. And I'll be honest with you, the majority of your friends or family might agree to it or they may not. I don't know. But this is the #1 way to lower your actual credit usage by adding a large trade line to your credit profile. Now, I do not suggest that you pay for an actual trade line because that's the first thing people will say, well, where do we go buy one? No, why would you spend that money on a trade line when you can put that towards your credit card debt? And you're gonna have to pay for it for every 30, 60, or 90 days. You're just adding more debt. We don't wanna do that. So stay away from paying anyone for a trade line. Make sure to click on the related video button down there and I'm gonna give you a full breakdown on exactly what I'm talking about.